So this is old shit.
Old shit?
It's been an old shit kind of night.
The first rule of psychiatry is never get involved with a patient. I guess I've never been very good at following the rules. When I took the internship at Arkham Asylum, I was drawn by the glamour of supervillainry, looking for a taste of the excitement that comes with extreme personalities. My first day, he told me he liked my name, a perversion of the word harlequin, a clown, like him. I managed to get assigned to his case. Hearing his story, his tragedies, I realized he was not the monster described in scandalous newspapers. He was just a bruised little boy crying out for attention from a world that just didn't get the joke. And I knew that I had to save him. I had to protect him from those who would try to crush the creativity of the world's first homicidal artist. The first time I broke him out, the first time I donned the costume and declared myself the new and improved Harley Quinn, he couldn't stop laughing. Even through the gunfire and the searchlights, I never heard the sirens. Just the joy in his laughter, and I knew from that point forward that I would do anything to keep a smile on his face. He let me into the world he had built for himself, even if he never really let me into his heart. For him, the makeup was his way of fitting into a world where everyone seemed to be wearing a mask, but I saw who he was when he wasn't robbing banks or taking cities hostage, and I bet when you think of him, you don't stop to think about the person washing his socks or the boy he once was, who tried so hard just to get his father to smile for once that he was beaten until he behaved more seriously. The man I love is complicated, but after so much stress in my life, setting goals too high so that I could become more than just a dumb blonde, I think what I really needed was a guy who could make me laugh. Don't get me wrong. I know he's not the most romantic of partners, and he sold me out a lot more than he's thanked me for my help, but I don't care. He's my puddin'. I help him because I love him, not because I think he's gonna start caring about me more than his empire. I let go of my dreams of settling down a long time ago. A man like him, it won't matter if he catches the thing he's chasing because it's the pursuit that matters the most. The setup is always more important than the actual punchline. But even if that means that our goals don't mean anything, that they are just a way to keep us moving, I still want to be there, laughing alongside my sweetheart. And if, when we smile, the world doesn't want to smile back, well then, we'll just have to make them laugh.